everyone, Sergio here. I'm here to show you how to get yourself started with Speakable. If you're on our webpage, click on Get Started, here create a free account, and make sure that you add your full name, email, and password. If you prefer to log in with Google or Clever, you can do so here. Now, as part of the login or the registering, you're going to be able to select some settings here that you can change at any point. Let me show you from my account. Here, click on settings, and you may change whatever language you teach and your students' native languages. You can change this at any point, but this will help you preset your classrooms and activities to the languages that your students already speak. You can also change some other items of your subscription, like for example, Google Classroom integration. As you can see, I don't have it activated here. And also, if you ever archive some classrooms or sections, you're going to be able to see them here.